Oh, we're in fucking Equi Terme. Shit, I hate it here. Could it be any hotter outside? Holy crap. Okay, last time we were at Equi Terme, it was about 1,000 degrees out. I'm so hot. I'm so hot.
Ci vuole un caffè
Look
più
at
tardi.
him. Look at him.
Alle 5.
He's so happy.
Andiamo.
And today, it's about 1,001. And we're gonna see a house with a garden. You've dragged me all the way out here to see this house. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, andiamo.
Andiamo.
Tutti. Let's
Tutti.
go. Oh, we're walking more. Good. I'm so glad.
1 minute.
Oh, shit. Seriously? Steven told me to keep it positive today. So A, I don't know where I'm going. I've never seen this house. B, we're right next to the train tracks. C, there's like all sorts of camping going on over there.
Yeah, but you're a train spotter, aren't you?
But
You like trains.
You can, is it this house?
Di qua.
Oh, well, I thought we kept walking. See what I mean? I don't know where I'm going. He never tells me anything. But the train station's right there.
Allora, qui c'è il piccolo treno
What
che
is
va a
this?
Lucca.
This is crazy. Look at this thing.
Sì. E però in 2 minuti si può essere alle botteghe, ai negozi, al bar.
Which house is it?
Sì, yes. Come on.
It's taking me through the brambles here. I mean, why don't you clean this up? What is going on here? This is terrible. I'm sure I'm going to get stuck by something.
Qui si può aprire nel giardino,
oh my God. Why don't they freaking clean this up? Okay,
Si
so
può
far
aprire.
it's going really well, don't you think? This better be good, Federico. We never know what we're seeing with Federico. Yeah, so far. And then you look on the Equi Terme giant mountain. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the garden in front is all yours, the garden?
Sì, questo è tutto proprietà.
Okay,
Sì.
okay. All right, well that's good. All right, I'm just lowering my expectations, that's all. I want you to lower yours too. As we journey into the unknown with Federico.
La casa è da ristrutturare, ma simpatica. No.
First impressions, toilet at the top of the stairs, again. It's a thing, it's a floor plan thing. All right, come on in.
Potenzia.
Oh, this is cute. This is quite cute.
Qui hanno fatto colazione, poi sono
like
andati
that.
via.
I like the table and I like the fireplace. Yeah, I mean, obviously this all gets ripped out and then the fireplace, if you want it, can get renovated. It's cool.
Strutturalmente la casa è stata tutta rifatta.
Yeah, I see that. Now they have to put in these earthquake chains, they call them, but they're actually earthquake rods, and they hold the house together so that during an earthquake, the whole house moves together versus, moving all over the place. And, well, a little grappa? I don't want any grappa. It's early in the morning. Grappa?
Perfect time.
But it's never too early for grappa. Okay, carry on.
Okay.
I have many questions. I mean, it's a cute house. It just isn't. What is this? Che cosa questo? You have a view of a garage.
Quella è un'altra proprietà.
Well, of course it's not your garage. So you have a view of the garage. That's not great. You think that's okay?
Other property.
I know, that's not my question. If it's okay, it's like, no.
Keep it closed.
Si può mascherare.
I mean, I love it when Federico's like, understands me when it's positive and when it's negative. He's like, yes, it's a garage. I know you hate it when I don't like a house, by the way. I realize that, Mr. Algorithm. However, I have to be honest with you. I mean, there are some good things about this house, like the price. You could probably get it for 30,000 euro. And, and you have a house in Italy with a little bit of land. You could do a veggie garden. You could sit out in front and not worry about looking at your neighbor's cars. I mean, the door is very cute. There's a fireplace in the kitchen. This is for the chickens.
Sì, è possibile.
You could also, there's some hooks up there. I don't know what those are for. Perché questo?
Magari c'è stato un periodo che hanno appeso anche qualcosa.
Well, now I'm
salume.
going to try to think wholesome thoughts.
Prosciutto.
So I think, no.
No?
I think they may have put a rod there and maybe put a drape here for in the summertime when they open the doors. The doors open in, so, they couldn't put them right on the doors. So, I mean, I'm trying to think wholesome thoughts here. Maybe they were swingers. I don't know. Then, of course, the proverbial at the top of the stairs bathroom that Italians somehow love. Why is there a hole? Perché una buca qua? Oh, this is going to be good.
Forse probabilmente prima passava un tubo. Sì.
No, that's bullshit. There's no way there's a tube that's going into that staircase.
Prima, strano.
Thank you. Finally, an honest reaction. This is storage here. Well, that just can get ripped out, and then that can be storage down there, right? I mean, similar to a lot of floor plans we've seen. Yeah, the floors aren't bad. He's pointing to the floors. The floors aren't bad here. I mean, I don't know that I would rip the floors out, actually. I think I would clean them and leave them. Il tetto, nuovo. I thought so. There's some tiles downstairs. New roof, that's great. That's worth the 30,000 I'm gonna pay for this place. And queste, I mean.
You buying it?
30.000 questo. No, I'm not gonna buy it.
Un po' poco, 30.000.
Well, it's really not worth more. This is not great, I will say, that you look right at your neighbor. You definitely have to have Marco look at this, because this is weird. Sorry, I'm being very picky this morning. I had 2 cups of espresso, so I'm very picky. I mean, nice size room, I will say. This is quite nice here. The only thing I mean, look at where the train is.
Yeah, if you're Trainspotter.
Yeah. One thing is, you see a lot of these homes online. This is charming. It's a nice layout. It's actually, it's quite workable. Nice size rooms, great area. But you have to come and visit in person because you have to look outside and deal with what I'm seeing right now, which is the train tracks and camping. This is your view, train tracks and camping. Now, if you look up and you avoid all of the electrical lines, it is very pretty up there. And Equi Terme is a very pretty place, but is this your Italy? Trains going by, campers taking a shower outside. I mean, it's a cute house. I don't think it's worth the money. Doesn't warrant that price. So you can come in, and if this is okay with you, you can lowball the heck out of it. It is a sort of fixer-upper, so you could fix it up yourself, actually. There's electrical here, plumbing here, everything is here. It just needs a good cleanup and a little whacking with the sledgehammer, and you can have a house in Italy. So these are the things, the pros and the cons you have to weigh all the time when you're looking at homes in Italy. Is the location worth it? Are you okay with the train? Do you like trains? Some people like trains. Full disclosure, I have a train very nearby my house in Atlanta, and I actually like the train sound. I like to go to sleep and hear the train at night. And you might love campers. I mean, that might be your thing, so it's for you. But just be aware that you can lowball the heck out of a house like this, get what you want, and be able to DIY something like this. So I think this is a perfect DIY project. And it's almost like a dollar home, but it's not. All right, so this is cool. I mean, this is a good sized room. What are we looking at now? Oh Jesus, there's a nest. Is there a snake in there? What is happening? It's eggs. Little eggs. Let's go make an omelet.
But you won't make much of an omelette with that.
Let me see. It's cute. I thought it was something bad. Oh, so cute. So if you've gotten this far, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you. And if you like this house, you can find all of Federico's information below. Thank you, Federico, for this mystery tour once again. Where are we going next? I don't know. Where in the world is Federico Cardellini? That's going to be the game now. All right, guys. Later.